You learn more by watching than you do by sitting in a training room. The best lessons aren't found in training manuals or onboarding decks. They happen in real time when you're watching someone solve a problem, handle a customer issue, or make a tough call. That's the kind of learning that sticks. That's what Watch and Learn is all about.
We built Watch and Learn because we believe the best way to learn something is to see it done. Not in theory, but in practice. Not in a classroom, but in the flow of actual work. Take screen sharing, for example. It's simple, but powerful. You show what you're doing, talk through your thinking, and the person on the other end gets it because they've seen it happen. They've watched the clicks, the tabs, the drag and drop. That's a lot more useful than a 20-slide PowerPoint with bullet points and jargon.
Voice notes, short videos, quick screen recordings. These aren't just tools for communication, they're tools for learning. You hear how someone phrases something, you see how they structure their work. You pick up things they don't even realize they're teaching. This isn't new. We've always learned like this. Apprenticeships were built on it. You stood beside the master, watched them work, and slowly got better by doing it yourself. We've just digitized the workshop.
And here's the kicker. It works. Visual learning improves retention by up to 65%. That's not a gimmick. That's how your brain prefers to learn. Seeing it done and then doing it. In most companies, training happens once. Maybe during your first week, maybe at the annual away day. But real learning is continuous. It happens when you're curious, when you've got context, when you can revisit what someone did, not just what they said. With Watch and Learn, the playbook is built while the game is being played. It's messy, sure, it's not always polished, but it's real. And that's where the gold is.
So if you want a smarter team, don't just give them more training. Give them access. Let them see how the work gets done. Let them watch. Let them learn. Get started with Watch and Learn in 4 simple steps. Create your site at watchandlearn.io. Invite your team or community to join. Start recording videos on the timeline, in chats or groups. Download the mobile app to stay connected on the go. It's your space for video-first collaboration, learning and connection. Join now and start your journey with Watch and Learn.